Taking this old drone out today for a project that I'm working on. Let's see if this thing can still get some decent footage. Taking out the drone today. I'm working on a project that I need to get some drone footage for. I have a drone. It's this old drone here. This is the OG original Mavic. It's like a 9, almost 10-year-old drone now. It's the drone I've been using for the last 7 years. I've had it pretty much the entire time. I did have like a Mavic Air before this one, but it's my primary drone. I don't fly a lot. I don't shoot a lot with it. That's the reason I've never like upgraded and got a new one. Because as far as I'm concerned, this thing gets the job done. It does what I need it to do. It is limited. Like, there's no question about it. If you're someone who's like in the market for a new drone or wants to buy an old drone or wants to try it out, I think it's a great drone for beginners. It's solid. It can get the job done, but like I said, it is limited. A couple of limitations. I'll just talk about the drone real quick. A couple of the limitations are the sensor's really limited. You got to be very specific about when and where you shoot, because the light sensitivity of the sensor is not great. So like I'm shooting out midday now, there's a little bit of clouds. Perfect, man. It can do the job, but anytime you like it gets a little darker, it's a cloudier day, moodier day, it's limited. It's also limited in the range as far as it can go. The battery time is not great. Everything's old on it. So it says it can fly for like I think it says 24 minutes, but it realistically flies for like 12 minutes, especially on like a windier day. There are some positives too. Like the main one is it's durable. It's lasts forever. It's still flying. I trust it. I believe in it. I know when I put it up, it's going to do what I need it to do and it's going to come back home. I love the fact that the sensor, or not the sensor, but the actual lens flips into portrait mode. So if I'm shooting content, which I am doing today, I'm actually getting some clips for social media. So it's a really simple button switch and I can flip from landscape to portrait mode. That's amazing. I absolutely love that. But at the end of the day, man, it's a solid drone. It gets the job done. It can get good shots. You have to, like I said, know your limitations, understand what you're doing, be shooting at the right time of the day. But yeah, I'm gonna throw it up today. I'm gonna get some footage. I'm gonna show you some behind the scenes kind of clips of me getting it up and then kind of what some of the footage looks like. It doesn't shoot 4K, that's another thing, but for the most part, like if you're shooting something for social media or you're getting photos for social media, you don't need anything crazy. You're not shooting like a full-length film or blowing anything up on a billboard or anything like that. It can absolutely get the job done. So yeah, with all that said, I'm gonna get out here. I'm gonna throw the drone up. I'm gonna show you some footage. Not sure how much footage I'll be able to get today. I might show you some clips that I flew a couple months ago. I'll just throw some cool footage, some cool clips of the OG Mavic doing its thing, man. It's still an absolutely solid drone. I love it. I use it from time to time, and every time I go to it, it gets the job done for me. So yeah, here we go. right, guys, and that's a wrap for this video. Really happy with what I was able to get today. Got some cool shots, had some nice clouds today as well. Perfect kind of conditions for getting some good drone content. If you're interested in getting a drone and you're interested in the OG Mavic, you want to get something cheap, affordable, definitely recommend it for anyone who's kind of starting out or anyone who's kind of just doing simple drone projects, especially for photos, man. If you're just doing kind of simple daytime photos, it's solid overall, very solid. So that'll do it for this video. Appreciate you guys watching. I'm gonna compile some of these. We get some more drone content. I'm gonna do a really cool like cinematic drone video at some point. So gonna be working on that. So look forward to that, and much more coming very soon. See you guys on the next one. Peace.